Let's learn the bird's name. Robin, R-O-B-I-N, Robin. Robin loves to eat worms and insects. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. It has short talons and powerful wings. Hummingbird, H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. It beats its wings up to 80 times per second and known as marvel of the nature. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Parrot is a clever bird. It has ability to mimic human speech. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Penguins are excellent swimmers and divers. It lives in Antarctica. Falcon, F-A-L-C-O-N, falcon. Falcons are found in deserts and mountains. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peacocks has dazzling and colorful feathers. It dances in rain. Owl, O-W-L, owl. It has big round eyes. Dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Dove is a symbol of peace and love.